Guys, I want to show you these food storage containers that I have. They are made out of glass, and this, like, personally, I need to meal prep to eat healthy for myself and my family, and I find that these just make it more convenient. I like chia seed puddings. My kids will eat some overnight oats. You can store tons of different things. One of the also ways that I use this that is different than others is that I can freeze in here and then put it in the microwave. So my kids like soup, so I can freeze soup or even baby food. I used to make all my home baby food. So you could freeze everything directly in this and then take it out without the spoon and put it in the microwave. And it is also dishwasher safe, which is really nice. The glass is 3 times stronger than regular glass. So, you know, it's going like you can put something hot in here and it's not going to crack. You can feel it. It's very thick, sturdy glass. And then I love that it just has the spoon on here. So like just the less that everybody has to do in the mornings, or like lunches when we're all really busy and on the go, it's just easier. My husband commutes on a train, so he's able to grab this and it's all together and take it to the office and have something ready to go. Like I said, overnight oats is what I usually have in there. So they come in different colors, and the spoons, everything comes together. So you get like this separately, and this just goes directly onto the jar, which is super easy to do. And then that's how this spoon goes on. If you want to pop it off when you're cleaning it, you can, or you can keep it on. It's totally whichever one. So it also has the measuring right here, so you know what you're putting in there, which is also like a nice other convenient factor to it. And then the lid has that seal, so you could take that off as well when you're cleaning or microwaving it. So really sturdy, excellent product. Again, I love that you can microwave this, freeze it. You could put warm things in here, cold things in it, and it just makes meal prep and eating healthier easier.